Croatia is full of beautiful restaurants, offering everything from the amazing local Mediterranean cuisine to anything from the global menu. We are going to show you our restaurant recommendations if you are planning on visiting Split, Hvar, Vrboska or Vis. Located between the romantic old town streets of Vrboska, this restaurant is named after the family running it, sister and two brothers, or in Croatian, Fritza Gardelin. This family-run restaurant offers a wide selection of local dishes. We definitely recommend getting some seafood, and we promise you will not stay hungry as they serve huge portions. Just a few minutes drive away from Vis town, restaurant Rockies is a perfect place to relax after exploring Vis town. It has a perfect mix of traditional and modern aesthetics, best known for meat and octopus peka.
Ja sam Roki, jedan od vlasnika i voditelj vinarije i restorana Rockies, obiteljski restoran i vinarija u Pliskom polju na otoku Visu. Priča je počela da smo bili u stvari jedina privatna vinarija na otoku prije 40 godina i u stvari oko te vinarije se cijela ta priča počela nadograđivati. S tim da je s vremenom restoran preuzeo vodeću ulogu recimo u popularizaciji i nas i mjesta. Što se tiče restorana, tu smo se isprofilirali radeći peke. Zadnjih 15 godina u stvari nudimo samo peku i ništa drugo. Specifičnost peke je da peka nije bila tradicionalno viško jelo nikad. Kako smo učili u ugostiteljstvu sve od drugih, tako smo i tu peku pokupili od drugih i davali smo neki svoj ton toj peki, prihvaćali predloge, izmišljali neke nove stvari. U principu možemo kazati da nam je prvih 15.000 peka bilo teško, poslije toga je sve bilo lakše. Pod pekom radimo znači klasiku meso, janjetinu i teletinu, radimo ribu, to je sad najčešće rep od grdobine i radimo hobotnicu ili lignje, ljudi najviše vole našu hobotnicu. Možda specifično je ta riža u peki od hobotnice i peki od ribe, znači za vrijeme kuhanja od toga toča, od ulja, od hobotnice, od vina, od povrća se stvori višak vode koji mi ne odlijevamo, nego u to ubacujemo sirovu rižu i ona pokupi taj sok i samo po najavi radimo, ljudi mogu samo doći prethodno najavljeni. Drago nam je što imamo hrpu povratnika, ljudi koji se vraćaju u ovaj restoran, ljudi koji ga cijene i drago nam je da smo jedna od boljih destinacija na otoku.
Situated in Hvar Old Town, Dalmatino is a highly rated restaurant serving traditional cuisine with a modern flair. It's known for its delicious food and kind service in such an amazing, historically rich location. If you're planning on visiting it, make sure to book your spot online in advance, as they are fully booked over the summer season, for a very good reason. Located in the heart of Diocletian's palace, Job's Grill specializes in steak and seafood. This modern restaurant offers prime cuts of meat from across the globe, as well as seafood, pasta and salads bursting with fresh local produce. Delicious food paired with impeccable service makes Job's Grill a favorite spot for travelers and locals alike. Beautiful seaside locations with views of the sea, horizon and islands, diverse landscapes and irresistible Dalmatian dishes. It would be a real pity not to take your taste buds on a delicious journey throughout Mediterranean yet Dalmatian cuisine. Bon appétit!